I don't want ever see Alkaline be the opposite of what him is now. Me don't want to see it. Me don't want to see it. Turn on the live and I run you. Me don't want to see it.
A few moments later.
Bounty killer smiling at one pool. Like a weeks, me say, what that? Like smile. It looks strange.
Bounty killer smile.
Even when you know him, you see him smile in person before.
Yes.
But just the camera there, so him a smile.
With the camera there?
It's a wild feeling. So me just imagine.
Hey y'all, come look at this.
I represent for one Media Fox. Media Fox. How the latest news them lock.
People are one, I don't know, one Media Fox funny up, you know. Yeah, man. So we see people say Konshen do an interview and I talk about a thing, you see me, about, you know, expectations and, you know, from different artists and things. You see me? But we're going to a video and I'm going to hear what I go on. You understand?
There was no legend, you know the legend. So like how you have Alkaline is like a legendary mythical figure.
Yeah.
There was no legend of Konshen.
No, we see him.
Him just bad and you see him right. That's how you see the in. And you say, him that? Alright. And it's like it create this personal relationship with everybody now. I grow until the thing work and by the time them try to lock me out.
It's too late.
In already, me the way about this and them try to lock the door over here, so it's too late.
Yeah, man, for real, man, because I remember when Konshen's found out, you know. Yo, me I tell you, the broke off back and all of them little thing there. When the man found in that business and say, yo, you know, for if you nobody, yo, you know, him forward in the game, you know, without the usual thing them, you see me, artists a carry up on stage and a bag of thing. You see me? Yeah, man, him did take the road. You see me? When I time Konshen said that run the place. You see it? Run the place. So, at the same thing with Alkaline forward in that game and start getting him sang them and bag of thing and run the place as well. You see it? Till him become a legend. But the thing is that, you know, Konshen's observe Alkaline, you know, because remember when Alkaline did him show down a Trillani, Konshen's did a watch it, him did a stream it. You understand? And I talk and him say, yo, look on them youth, yo, have him fans and forward out to come see him and them a talk about him forget cross out. Bag of thing him did a talk. You see me? So as something where him see him rate how Alkaline move. You see me? Or him, you know, go about him business and bag of thing. You see me? As a young youth, you know, say, yo, the youth, yeah, I pre some different thing. Him know what I do. You see it?
Things separated you. There was a period in a dancehall where you start go in a like the reggae side.
Yeah.
And that is like when you start, like you being vocal about stuff or anything, you never pick a fight, you never clash a soul.
I feel like social media good and bad in that regard because like people were close to me. Me's a fucker man, you know. Saying like I love vibes and I love keep up fucker and I realize that over the years people see me as just this them say.
Yeah, that's what we know.
Yeah, but the people don't know say social anxiety me have. At them time, that's why me will take up this. You get what I say? So I feel like social media, it give enough people like a little way of put a foot in the social space without dive all the way in. You get what I say? You see me in person, you probably won't get the same energy as women that do on social media. And that's why enough people hide behind the keyboard too, because everybody's a comedian, everybody have character and behind the keyboard. So I feel like it's just a little outlet. And me I grow, you know what I mean? So I feel like I'm way more welcoming than I used to be. And a little bit more of an extrovert.
No.
Yeah, no.
So I find for artists and we as just listeners, what we do is if we have a 3 to 5 year span of an artist and what we know them as,
that.
it's very different for us to know, unwind and say, oh yeah man, Konshen's a laugh, that's crazy to me. Like it's
yeah, because you see the person who people know you as is like after a while, them see I do something, them I say, yo, that I know, so I know that you there, you know. You understand? Because I saw it go like you have two different person. Like if you do media, you depend on the media. You're a different person when people get to see you and meet you up. Like, you see me? Maybe how you engage or you talk, but when you and them link up, is like, you know, start the same way like when you depend on the media and all of them little thing. They are just two character thing. As I say, it all have to do with the atmosphere, you know, because if you depend on online and you will talk to people, seeing and then, so when you go around them now, it's like the atmosphere. Cause look here, you alone, but you talk to them on the media, nobody know there around you when you and them attack. But when you're there around them now, it's like, you go there look and maybe I say, yo, alright, that person, I'm attack. You go there look and yeah, just a different energy, different atmosphere. Is it?
Yeah, the joke and them thing there. And it's just, especially it's genres too. So I would have said you are one of the musicians that in any artist before 2015, I think because you guys came up outside of the social media realm, we never used to see, you know, when you're bossing out, you stop walking up. I don't know, use a mistake now.
So it's weird.
So
because me feel weird out seeing Cartel. Me feel weird seeing the man where Cartel become. Me feel how like it's strange to me to see that. Because as you say, the way how you view me, that's how me view him, even when I know him for real.
Exactly.
Just the persona and he's just bigger than the personality, basically. So when him dip on Instagram now, however him do, I be a normal human being. It still look weird to me until I put myself in them shoes. And that's the only time I can go so. I say, yeah man, that's normal.
And you see the thing is that, you know, people, let me tell you this. You see, the thing is that, you know, Cartel is Cartel, you know. That are the thing. People might see him do a lot of things. But him that. But because at that time, social media never so powerful like going in 2026. Remember say Cartel in a teacher's pet, him usually do the same video in every little thing. It's just that certain apps and certain things where TikTok never did it. I don't think Instagram did it them time either. So there wasn't these platforms and all of these things. I remember say before Cartel go prison, you know, him have teacher's pet. Everybody I watch teacher's pet. The bag of girls him every little thing. And him did it, you know, attack him always in some acting. All before music, him usually act and them little thing there. If you go up on YouTube, you see them thing there, see? So it's a brother where a theme personality that. You see me? He mean that the media, every little thing, we know him that. But because, you know, the atmosphere where Cartel not there Jamaica no more. Him not there on some man who usually there on back in the days. So it's the atmosphere, the people where they're on. You see me? So back in them time there, cause who to know if I saw him did act in him house or nobody knows. But now with the power of social media now, I have understand, you know, him a forward out on the social media realm right now. Him free, you know. Cause remember, you know, at 35 years, you know. And him get lesser than that, so him forward out now. Him personality I show more. You see me? I saw him stay a long time. You see, it is just that him did their JA, they're on different people, so certain things him not go on do them because them time the gangster and every little thing. Now, him not see him bag of gangster him usually have around him back in the days. You see me? So him there foreign, you know, different things and you know, him personally, that's how I always say, yo, money not change people. You see me? It only like bring out them personality more. You understand? That's how money do. You see it? Cause money, remember, you know, money is just a figure. You see it? You're not born with it and you're not gonna go away with it. You see what my try to say? So it's just a thing, your personality there is just something to activate it. You see me? If you go out there. You see it? So I just can't tell that. You see me? He's a brother where, you know, him love them type of attention there. Any attention. See him with the controversy and the bag of things, the cake soup, the every this. Him a go do that. You see me? So but a lot of people will maybe go around him when them time there, him circle the different and him, them see the gangster them around him and everything. So in a feed them mind, they must say, yo, oh this a man a ray, but it's just that him in a different atmosphere, you know. You understand? And him have the phone, the social media so powerful right now. Him just do it more and do whatever and people talk and all of them little things. You see me? Yeah. I just one of them things there. You see it? But, you know, I just a society because if other people do that, They would have beat them left, right. You see me? Some people disappointed because them not actually know. You see me? Them not actually know how them money operate. You see, worse when you give him them type of attention. Remember, man, controversy and the thing them way man do, you know. You understand? I saw them man they operate. You know, notice when him do one video, him come do a back and next one. Because why? The man see you do next one and the bag of roars, him go do back and next one now. You understand?
It's
strange.
It's strange.
Bounty killer smiling at one pool. Like a weeks, me say what? Like smile. It looks strange.
Bounty Killer smiling to me
Overall.
crazy.
Yeah.
So
Even when you know him, you see him smile in person before.
yes.
But just the camera there, so him a smile.
With the camera there,
It's a wild feeling. So me just
So this a bounty now. See? In the pool. But brother, let me tell you, bro, you have to understand say them man you know, bro, when them there around the gangster them, you know, them now go act the way them want. You understand? I just certain ways and you see me? Bounty get back him visa, money I make. You see me? In full personality, I go show you know. Him just in the pool and enough of people them say, yo, our bounty I do. Because him in a different atmosphere. You understand? I just that. Yeah man, visa free up on a bag of thing, man, you see me? In a pool, money I make everything. You see it?
imagine
seeing Bounty Killer respond to a comment is like, yo, you know, it because we have this image of artists prior to the social media era, and as a viewer, sometimes we not like more, we don't want to change.
Yeah,
because
it's not good or bad,
the
bro.
killer laugh more,
You know what?
killer the serious, Bridget.
Yeah.
Yeah, and you see, you want killer always answer people in a comment, you know, people. You understand? Yeah, man. So killer always answer people in a comment, you know. You see me? Sometimes, you know, people might say some things and it might, you know, get them in a certain way and certain little things. So I still human them. You see me? We have some artists them not really care about comment section and all of them things. Them things they can't really get to them. You understand?
Is that good or bad? What do you think?
I think it's a everything have its pros and its cons.
Yeah.
Because just like what you say, me like during the cartel and the Movado thing, we used to have cartel one way, Movado one way.
Yeah.
I have you one way. So normally that sound crazy.
Yeah, man, but not for all of that. But talk, yeah, man,
But-
deal Elliot.
so during all that now, as a viewer, we have a certain image of the artist them.
Yeah.
And then when the artist them now start get to be themselves, it can be good or it can be bad.
Yeah.
Because for instance, I can say something here.
Yes, same as what I say. The artists are be themselves because them in an atmosphere where them can be themselves. You understand? I just that.
And an artist disagree with me. And thank God to social media music now.
Yeah.
And the way how the world going now. If you as an artist feel like you will not use social media, you will not boss.
This is how me look on it. I feel like in the early days of my career, when like me tell you say me I do walk up to people and get them CD and that personal interaction,
Yeah.
it did work for me.
Yep.
How much money it never work for?
So much.
We not gonna know. We don't know.
We can't even put a number on
Yeah,
that.
we don't know. And just like now, you would say for most artists, being active on social media work for them. Whereas the next set of artists, the mystique is the biggest thing about them. Alkaline again. I don't want ever see Alkaline be the opposite of what it is now. Me don't want to see it. Me don't want to see it turn on the live and around you. Me don't want to see it. Because
Exactly.
I think that mythical figure that him is the biggest pull for him.
Yep.
So
Well, you see, when it comes to that though, you have to understand, you know, as an artist, you see, people, sometimes the internet can have a good and bad with you. You understand? Because this is the thing. If you depend on the media every day and this and have a character and every little thing, you will steer the people in for your music. Them will just more tune into what you do on the internet than to go and, you know, support your music and all of them little thing there. You understand? At the end of the day, Alkaline do him thing because on Alkaline alone move so. you have other superstar artists out there, them not really the internet thing more while all of them look a thing there. You will see them on the media, yes, but I just saw it go. Alkaline just a focus on the music, him not focus on the hype or no clout or want people to see him personal life. A lot of people out there still like that. You understand? It's just that into dancehall is not a regular thing for your artist to do it. Alkaline do, him as an artist, the only thing he need to focus on is him music. And when him ready for perform on the stage, that way him, with the people him. You understand? That way him put on him Instagram page, just in music or in performance, which that is what people know you by. Your music. You see me? So a lot of other artists, sometimes everything have a limit. Them kind of overdo things. You see it? And right now, seem like Vice Cartel, like, yeah, him put out the music and every little thing, but if you realize what got the most attention is his character on the media. That's what most he get talk about. The thing when do on the media. You see what I'm trying to say? Yeah, so Alkaline now, I just say music and all of these things. People really, a lot of people out there always ask, yo, where them woman there? Yo, where this there? Them want to find out because look now, they must see other artists' life. You see me? And it's a typical thing, especially in Jamaica where, people loving people business, You see me? I just one of them things, but I just Alkaline that him just want to keep him thing private. Nothing wrong. You see, you have a lot of artists out there where keep them private life private. It's what I'm trying to say because if I understand, say, a lot of people out there in a two-rate Alkaline, sometimes I feel nothing, or them just a follow people. And them said, oh, them not see me this, oh. But if they do see with this, them are going to start say a bag at them and start say maybe my copy, yo, that girl that looks so, this and that. And you have to understand, you see, the age for Alkaline, I go also move on to who I deal with. You understand? Or him child. You see what I'm trying to say? So, it best what the youth I do. You see me? Because they would have say something out there and, seem like if the artist are linked with him, them not too want ray with the artist. And they must say, yo, I follow this man, I want bag of thing. So, I just one of them thing the people. Alkaline are do him thing. Whosoever, every artist do them thing different. You understand? That's why when me hear them try say, I copy this and copy that. I mean, I say, bro, this a man not even show him private life, him not depend on the media like that. So I don't understand. You see me? But you don't know. Fans and people say something, but you don't know in reality it's a different thing.
For argument's sake, it worked for some people and it not work for some people. I feel like no rule, no anything again.
Yeah, I think it comes down to branding though.
Yeah.
However, you introduce yourself to the people once we get used to that, it's like we can't
unlearn it.
It's hard for kind of unlearn. But there is ways.
You can't pivot.
No, you can't pivot enough, but you
have to commit to it though.
And you soft launch.
Yeah.
You can do some soft launch. Like, okay, try that one and see this and, until you kind of fully go out of that space.
Yeah, man, and commit to it because, like, for try, if I get up and say, oh, yeah, I start do this now. You say 2 weeks of that, we must say, yeah, act, Mm-hmm. As an actor, you know that.
Yeah, actor, you're right.
2 weeks of that, and the same as you being the natural self who you is, right through. So, you have to prepare and know say if you want to commit to being that person there. It's a different ballgame.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, man, I just one of them thing there. You see it? Because I just say, going, it's like, if you have an artist and the fans them forward out and like, yo, they will feel a different way than a person who actually know the artist. You understand? Yeah, but I just one of them thing there where, at the end of the day, artists do different things where them try and different things work. You see me? Puss and Dog now have the same luck. So every artist do what them if do. Where if we keep them in the conversation. You understand? Although Alkaline post and them thing upon him social media, but him name always I bring up in some conversation. You understand? It's like, imagine right now if some other artist did I do what Alkaline do, people would all forget say them I do music. Me I tell you. But it's like with Alkaline, for your youth when they on the media like that and them look at thing about him name always a call. You understand? You really have to relevant for that time, people. The man nah post none of his house, nah post this, him nah post that. Him just a put up in music and him a put up in performance. And him like people just call him name like you see same like how them say water is life. It come like say if you not call him man name something wrong. Him name always a call. You understand? And you have people out there. I tell you these people, you have people out there will watch everything where you do. Or when him upload them just work cause them want to see where him a go. Cause them not see in private life, you know. So them a go watch and where him a go post next. So it's like him always have people I say, yo, what him a do? And that is a great thing. Once you set that precedence there, it's like people are like, so when you fall out and do something, it come like an impact. You understand? And I just say go every artist do them thing and find them formula for them thing, you see me? Yeah, but I want them thing the people. But big up on yourself, you don't know one media facts pan up. Yeah man. That is it.